Hey, so now that we have a website built and there are some things that you're going to want to edit, I wanted to create a short video here to walk through one of the plugins in particular. My name is Bridget Fredericks. I'm with Queen City Rent-A-Geek, and on this website we are going to go through the restaurant menus plugin. So logging into WordPress, when you first log in, you come into the dashboard, which is what we're looking at right now on the screen. And we can see on the left-hand side of the screen, I'm just moving my mouse down the screen, the different options or things that we might want to go into. In this case, we're looking to go into this restaurant menus plugin. And so I'm going to just click that. And we have 3 different restaurant menus that are showing up on this particular website, eastsidelocaleatery.com. So we have the desserts menu, the beverages menu, and the bites menu. On any one of these menus, if we want to make an edit, we can just move our mouse over to the one that we want and then hit the edit button that pops up. So I'm going to edit the bites menu. We'll hit edit. And once the menu loads, we'll just be able to scroll down and see all of the different sections of the menu that we have, and also the different menu items. So if we want to reorder something, perhaps we want to have the breakfast bowl listed first in the breakfast anytime, we would just hold the mouse button down and drag that item where we want it and let go. Now that is updated live on the website the moment we do that. So I actually don't want to edit the menu right now. We're going to bring that back down here to the bottom where it was. Or if we want to edit something in particular about an item, so avocado toast, for instance, we can click on this edit menu item. That's the little pencil on the same row as the item. And when it comes up, we can write a description here. For this particular item, we're not describing it because it's avocado toast. It's pretty easy to understand what that is. But if you go into pricing, you have all of the different options that fall under that menu item. We could edit our prices here. Simply click, type in the new price, and then hit save. Or maybe we want to add a whole nother item in here. We can hit add price, and it would give us one more row where we could type in the description and the price. If we want to hide a menu item, maybe we're out of something in particular, maybe we're out of nut butter, we can hit the eyeball, and that will make that item invisible on the website, but the item is still there. So once our nut butter comes in, we can say, wait a minute, we want that to be visible again. Go in, hit the eyeball, and it will instantly update on the website. Or if we want to change a picture of a menu item, we can hit the edit menu item button. And here's our picture of our nut butter toast. We could just hit the X, and that will give us a blank slate to be able to add in a new picture. So let's say we want to add a whole menu item all together under this breakfast anytime section. So we'll go to the breakfast anytime, we'll come over here to the right, and we'll hit this plus, add menu item. When we hit that, we get another menu item pops into the bottom that says new product. And from there, we just have to fill it out. So we'll hit this edit menu item under new product. We'll hit this select image, and perhaps I'm just going to pick an item at random here, but let's say we want to use this picture, insert into post, and then we'll give it a name. So best new breakfast item. You can give it a description. This is totally awesome, and you should try it. And then we can go to pricing. and hit add price. Now, if the item has different options, like our avocado toast does, then we probably want to put in several different things here. If it's just an item by itself, then we would just give it a price. So let's say it's $10 and then hit save. Now that product is right there, best new breakfast item. Now that item is live on the website right now. So we're going to delete this item. We're going to hit this X next to remove menu item. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Now I've showed you how to make several different changes to the menu using the restaurant menus plugin. It's a great plugin for doing this, and all of that happens live. If you're not sure if something's saved or not, you can always come up to the top of the page and hit this update button. When we hit that button over there on the right and hit update, then our website is for sure updated live and on the fly. And that is how we change our menu items on the restaurant menus plugin in WordPress. Thanks, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel.